और ये लाइव है।
ऑर्डर आपको मैंने बताया ना, आखिरी ऑर्डर इसमें है 11/1/2023 का। उसमें वो कहते हैं कि सारी इंक्वायरीज खत्म हो गई हैं, सारे एक्शंस ड्रॉप हो गए। अगर तो ये बात ठीक है, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट नो, देयर इज आल्सो रिपोर्ट ऑफ FIA। अगर तो आप उस रिपोर्ट से मुतमईन नहीं है या है, एक तो ये बात है माजी की हद तक। और अगर कोई नया कॉज ऑफ एक्शन आपका है तो दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग। अगर कोई नई चीज हुई है तो उसके लिए तो बात की जा सकती है।
आपकी दरखास्त जरा पढ़ देते हैं। मेरे ख्याल में इनको पढ़ने दें, अटॉर्नी जनरल को। इनकी दरखास्त क्या थी कोर्ट में 184(3) के?
माय लॉर्ड,
सफा नंबर 5 पे है।
माय लॉर्ड, दिस इज
जरा तारीख भी देखिए, कौन सी तारीख है?
दिस इज 20th of August 2021
जी।
and this is, my lord, this was
पढ़िए
जी। Petition under Article 184(3) of the Constitution, it is humbly submitted as 1. We are practicing journalists and most of us rely upon journalism as our source of livelihood. 2. Most of us were working in media, television and newspapers but were sacked because we would honestly report the news. These sackings took place on the behest of outsiders. It is an open secret who they are. These persons would not write a letter to submit a formal complaint. They would generally just make a WhatsApp call and threaten the newspaper or the television channel where we were employed that if we were not laid off, there would be serious consequences for the management and that they may even shut down the news channel. Faced with these threats, which have often been carried out, the management of the media houses where we work were left with no option but to sack us. 3. Many a time we took no issue and told them that the founder of the country, Qazi Muhammad Ali Jinnah, had fought against laws which curtailed media freedom and that he advocated a free media, but we were told that Qazi was dead and that we run the country now. After losing our jobs, many of us, in order to support ourselves and our families, started doing news shows on YouTube and on other social media platforms. But here too, we were harassed, intimidated, picked up, beaten, shot at and killed. Even the reports of our abductions, beatings and shot at were not allowed to be published on mainstream media. Newspapers would do so, and if they did so, would have to suffer the consequences. They were cut off from government-sponsored advertisements and otherwise intimidated.
तो इस वक्त आप ये मनाजिर देख रहे हैं, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट से बराह रास्त मनाजिर हैं जहाँ पर सहाफ़ियों को हिरासा करने के हवाले से ये केस है, जिसकी इस वक्त यहाँ पर ये समाअत हो रही थी। और इस हवाले से हम आपको मज़ीद भी अपडेट करते रहेंगे, दिखाते।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।